Now in the second stage of the geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial, we are going to discuss about the quadratic polynomial. Okay, the general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. Now in book, one of the quadratic polynomial which is discussed is y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now few of the points are given. For x is equal to minus 2, what will be the answer? So y is x square minus 3x minus 4. If we put x is equal to minus 2, so we will get minus 2 whole square minus 2 minus 4. So it is plus 4 minus minus plus 6 plus 4 and minus 4 both are cancelled, so we are getting minus 6. So the first coordinate we are getting is minus 2 comma minus 6, minus 2 comma plus 6. Here plus 6 is there, minus 2 comma plus 6. Okay, this is the first coordinate. Second case, here x is taken as minus 1. For x is equal to minus 1, so what we will get is the answer. So minus 1 square minus 1 and minus 1, minus minus plus, so it is plus 1, minus minus plus, so plus 3 and minus 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. Okay, so here coordinates are x comma y will be minus 1 comma 0. Similarly, we will take the case of x is equal to 4. For x is equal to 4, what we will get? Y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. 16 minus 12 minus 4. So 16 minus 16. So here also we are getting 0. So x comma y will be 4 comma 0. Okay, so all these conditions are fulfilled. Whatever the values which is given and the graph which is given in the book is right, and all the values are also fulfilled. So if we join all the parts, we will get the parabola. Now we are getting the parabola. Okay, now I am going to rub this. There are two kinds of parabola which we are getting. Okay, if a is greater than 0, we are getting the parabola which is open upwards. So you can see the parabola, this is the shape of a parabola. Okay, now this parabola is open upwards. Okay, it is open upwards, you can feel something like this. Okay, so this parabola is open upwards for a is greater than 0. And when a is less than 0, the parabola will be open downwards. Okay, so this can be asked in the examination. Okay, this is the shape of a parabola. Now what we have to note, okay, what is so important? So in the quadratic polynomial geometrical meaning, okay, or geometrical meaning of the quadratic polynomial, here the graph is cutting the x-axis at two distinct points. The first point is minus 1 comma 0. We have already obtained the values by the calculation, and the second point is 4 comma 0. So at these 2 points the graph is cutting the x-axis. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. You can say here y is 0, here also y is 0. So you can directly say that these are the 2 points where the graph is cutting the x-axis. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. And whenever the a is greater than 0, we are getting the open parabola upwards. Okay, and whenever a is less than 0, we are getting the open parabola downwards. Okay, so this is the final result we are getting. Okay, this kind of question will not be asked to draw to the students, but this kind of question can come in the examination in the MCQ, that is the graph given is of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. So you can answer by seeing that the graph is cutting the x-axis as 2 points. So you can say that it is a quadratic polynomial. So it means that it is having the 2 zeros. Quadratic polynomial has the degree of 2. Okay, here you can see the exponent 2. So this kind of graph will be directly related to the quadratic polynomial. Thank you.